Hello students, in today's session motion one dimension. Further, very basics will be clear through illustrations taken from JEE Main 2025 PYQs. In earlier session we have gone through all. In addition to this, these are the playlists containing all the topics, all the chapters useful and helpful for 11th standard, 12th standard, JEE, NEET, CUET and other entrance examinations, which you can review all on YouTube channel sethiswiftlearn. In addition to this, I would like to say that these are complete solutions with additional information available on YouTube channel sethiswiftlearn. You can go there and have the solution. In addition to this, further, these papers having detailed solutions with additional information on website sethiswiftlearn.com. Please visit the site and have the solution. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल sethiswiftlearn सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question and concepts. Question is, a sportsman runs around a circular track of radius r such that he traverses the paths AB. The distance traveled and displacement respectively are. Four options are given to, one of the options is correct. Concept applicable and solution. AB means first he will move like this. Then again it means AB means again we will reach this. Then again reaches like this. The distance travel is one complete revolution, one complete revolution plus half revolution. That is 2 pi r plus pi r. That is pi. See, that is the distance. And displacement is the distance between the initial position and initial position is this one. This is the final position. This is the initial position. Distance between the initial and final position is the displacement. That is, displacement is 2r. So correct answer will be C option is the correct answer. Right? Next question. Question is, which of the following curves possibly represent one dimensional motion of a particle? Four option given. We have to pick up one of the correct answer. Concept applicable in solution. What is one dimensional motion? In one dimensional motion, particles movement is confined to a single straight line. The validity of graph for one dimension is determined by physical constants such as time, unit directionality, the uniqueness of position, velocity at an instant, and the non-decreasing nature of distance. This concept will be utilized to find the motion. In this case, distance is increasing. Distance is increasing. So this is correct one. With time, distance is increasing. In this case, uniqueness is not there. Suppose one particular time, this is the velocity, this velocity. At one particular time, two velocities are not possible. Therefore, this is not correct. Uniqueness is not there. And in this case, simple harmonic motion is given by phi, that is phase equal to omega t plus initial phase, phi naught. This is, omega is the angular velocity in case of SHM. SR means one dimensional to and fro motion. Horizontal string attached to a string. Then this is correct one. And in this case, velocity of SHM is given by A under root. Velocity is given by omega under root A square minus x square under root. That is V square equal to omega square A square minus omega square x square. That is V square plus omega square x square equal to constant. तो ये velocity, ये displacement है, ये distance velocity है. तो this is means velocity square plus distance, that is constant. This is also one dimensional. If you plot the graph of SHM in velocity terms, we will get this one. So this is correct. This is correct. This is correct. This is not correct. So A, B, D. A, B, D. A option is correct one. A option is correct one. This is correct because in time के साथ साथ distance बढ़ रही है. In this case, एक particular time पे दो velocity नहीं हो सकती. In this case, phase is related by this one, so this is also correct one. Right? Next question. Question is, a particle moves along the x-axis and has displacement x. Where is the time according to the equation? X equal to c naught t square minus 2 plus c t minus 2 whole square. Where c naught and c are the constant of appropriate dimension, then which of the following statement is correct? Four options are given to, one of the options is correct. Acceleration, initial velocity, acceleration of particle. Initial means you have to put t equal to 0. Velocity क्या होती है? Concept applicable in solution. Velocity is dx by dt and acceleration is dv by dt or second derivative of displacement. That is acceleration. When the question x equal to c naught t square minus 2 c naught t square minus 2 plus c t minus 2 whole square. Now, this equation differentiating one with respect to t. We get velocity expression dx by dt equal to c naught 2t minus 0 plus c 2c t minus 2 into 1. That is c naught into 2t plus twice c t minus 2. This is the velocity expression. Initial velocity. Initial velocity means velocity. Put t equal to 0. इसमें 0 put करके 0 हो गया plus twice c 0 minus 2, that is minus 4c. So initial velocity is, this is not the correct answer. Minus 4c is the answer. Then we have to find the acceleration. Now differentiating again with respect to t. So dv by dt, or you can say d square x by dt square equal to, this comes out to be c naught into 2 into 1 plus twice c 0 minus 1 and 1 minus 0. This comes out to twice c plus twice c naught plus twice c. So this comes out to twice common c naught plus c dv by dt. That is the acceleration. Let's check the answer. Acceleration of the particles, this is the correct answer. Acceleration of particle is twice c naught. This is the wrong answer. This is the wrong answer. C option is the correct option. C option is correct one. Right? Next question. Question is, the displacement x versus time graph is shown below. X axis per time है, y axis per displacement है. And this is from 0 second, 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the time scale. This is the displacement in meter. We have to find the correct answers. 5 options are given to you. We have to pick up one of the correct answer. Average velocity 0 to 3 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds, peak to 5 seconds. We have to find. We will calculate one by one. Concept applicable and solution. In graphical questions, if we have to find velocity, velocity is either v2 minus v1 over t2 minus t1, average velocity. Instantaneous velocity, that is dv by dt, slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Using this concept, we will find the correct answer. Now let's solve one by one. We have to find, first is average acceleration 0 to 3 seconds is 10 meter. 0 to 3 seconds, average velocity. A option देखते हैं. Average velocity from 0 to 3 seconds. So initial position क्या, velocity में initial position, final position. O is the initial position 0 0. A C is the final position 3 5. So average velocity displacement this upon this, so average velocity will be equal to 5 minus 0 divided by 3 minus 0. That is 5 by 3 meter per second. What they are saying? 0 to 10 meter per second. So this is wrong one. A is not the correct. Average velocity is 3 to 5. Average velocity 3 to 5 is 0 meter per second. 3 to 5. B option, average velocity from 3 second to 5 second. In this case, we observe that displacement is constant. If displacement constant, so average velocity will be equal to 0 meter per second. 0 meter per second. It means this is the correct answer. Right? Next. C part. C part. Now C part. C part में हमने find out करना है. Instantaneous velocity equal to 2 second 5 is 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second. Then it is the time 2 seconds, 2 equal to 2 seconds. Instantaneous velocity. At this point means this is the instantaneous means we have to find the at particular instant. So this is the point 2 is at 2 line is passing AC. AC से ले लीजिए आप. Point A के coordinates क्या बने? X coordinate 1 minus 5 और C points के coordinates क्या बनेंगे? 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Therefore, instantaneous velocity will be equal to 5 minus by 5 over 3 minus 1, that is 10 divided by 2, that is 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second. 5 meter. B is correct, C is correct. The average velocity from 0 to 9 seconds is 0. Average velocity, E option is 0. This is 0 0 and this is 0 to 9. तो फाइनल इनिशियल पॉइंट क्या O है, फाइनल पॉइंट H है, तो इसका कोऑर्डिनेट 0 0, इसके कोऑर्डिनेट 9 0. 0 0 and 9 0. 0 minus 0 divided by 9 minus 0, that comes out to 0. E option is correct. E option, the average of 5 to 7 seconds. 5 to 7. D option. 5 to 7. 5 to 7. 5 to 7. Average error during 5 to 7 seconds. 5 पे वेलोसिटी है, इस पे ये है. कोऑर्डिनेट्स निकाल लीजिए, इसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स, इसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स. Then find the similarly at point t equal to 6.5. 6.5 is this इसके बीच में 6.5 in between हो गया. तो ये पॉइंट, ये लाइन ले लीजिए. 6.5 है, ये 6 to 7 ये यूनिफॉर्मली वो कर रहा है. Slope is constant. In this case, we can find it out. On simplification, we get D comes out to be minus 0.4 and 1 by 10, which are not equal. Which is not equal. Right? I have given the concept. जो initial point है, final point है, उसके बीच फिर y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 का formula लगा. So correct options are. This is wrong. So B, C, E. C option is the correct option. C is the correct option. Right? No question.
Before start of the next question, I would like to say that these concept clearing videos for the purpose of 11th standard, 12th standard, state boards, CBSE board, JEE Main, JEE Advanced, NEET, CUET, and other examinations. These concept clearing videos are very, very helpful and useful, which you can review on YouTube channel sethiswiftlearn. In addition to this, I would like to say that these papers, complete video of sessions are available on sethiswiftlearn YouTube channel, which you can review on sethiswiftlearn. In addition to this, further, these papers, detailed solution with additional information available on website sethiswiftlearn.com. You can visit the site and have the solution. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल sethiswiftlearn सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद योर colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question.
Question is, the motion of an airplane is represented with velocity time graph as shown below. The distance covered with the plane the first 30.5 seconds is. Answer should be in kilometers. 4 options are given to you. One of the option is correct. Concept applicable in solution. We have to find the distance covered in the first 30.5 seconds. Distance covered in first 30.5 seconds. Now, in this case, what is this portion? 30.5 seconds में suppose ये ले लिया हमने. What is this? ए बी सी ये पॉइंट और ले लिया, फिर ए बी ए सी ई एफ पॉइंट 30.2 पे ये पॉइंट आता है। तो स्पीड इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम और डिस्प्लेसमेंट डिस्टेंस विल बी इक्वल टू स्पीड इनटू टाइम। इसमें साइन का कोई चक्कर नहीं है, सिंपली इट विल बी एडेड, राइट। नाउ तो डिस्टेंस विल बी इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम OBAC plus area of rectangle ACFE, right। एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम में क्या होगा, हाफ 200 सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड प्लस 400 into 2 plus 30.2 minus 2 minus 2 into this comes out to be 400. On simplification, this comes out to be 11880, that is 11.8 kilometer, right। Options is given to A, B, C, D. So if you approximate, then D is the correct answer. तो वैसे 30 आंसर आया हमारा 11.8 kilometer, that is approximately 12 kilometer, and option D is the correct option, right। Next question. Question is, the velocity time graph of an object moving along a straight line is shown in the figure. What is the distance covered by the object between t equal to 0 to t equal to 4 seconds? Four options are given to you. One of the option is correct. Concept applicable in solution. To find distance covered in 0 to in between t equal to 0 to t equal to 4 seconds. Means what is this? One is this one. ABC, OAB, CD, right? Now, distance, speed or velocity into time, right? Now, it is the product. If it is product, then you have to find area. If it is a ratio, then we have to find the slope. So distance covered between 0 to 4 seconds will be equal to area of triangle OAD plus area of rectangle ABCD, half base into height, base 2 है, height 10 है, 2 into 10 plus half area 4 into 4 minus 2 into 10. This two goes, this comes to 20 plus 2 into 10, that is, this comes out to be 10. 30 meter. This is the answer. B option is the correct answer, right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, sethiswiftlearn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.